Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna be doing my minimal makeup look. I don't really wear a lot of makeup, but I thought on the odd chance that you guys would like to see what type of products I use, I would just quickly film this. This is my everyday routine. I think the only thing that I would switch up is sometimes I would wear a little bit of eyeshadow, but other than that, this is basically how I do my makeup all the time. Okay, so this video is really going to be quick because I'm only going to apply 5 products. I actually am applying a sunscreen to my face now. I know it's not a moisturizer, but this sunscreen, I promise you, is super hydrating. It is called Youngskin. I've been using it since I got it. I went to a launch of the Youngskin range, and when I tried the products, I was like, I'm not really interested in the moisturizers, but when I use the sunscreen, because this is a SPF 50, this sunscreen is my ride or die. I literally just use 2 pumps of these, and I warm it in my hand so that I can activate the particles, and then I just tap it on my face. I prefer tapping onto my face rather than rubbing first, because I want to make sure that it's all getting into my pores. And then I just rub the excess away in circular motions. The concealer that I've been using is a Woolies concealer. I was so surprised at this concealer because I actually went to buy a gift for my cousin, and I was walking through the beauty section and another lady was trying the light concealer in this range, and when I tried it I was super surprised that it gave like a lot of coverage. It's a 7ml, which is a little. I know the concealer that I used to use, the MAC concealer, is a 9ml. It's also got an SPF. It's got the bunny, it's beauty without cruelty. So I just apply it to like my areas of concern. And then I tap it with my fingers. I could of course use a brush or a sponge, but I prefer not to because I feel like that just uses a lot of product. And I went to Woolies in Canal Walk, the one in Cavendish, and even the Waterfront, and they didn't have this concealer, so I would suggest if you do want to buy it that you buy it online. Because obviously the first time I got it in Long Beach Mall, and I should have bought 2 when I was there, but this one I bought online. And a bit more to my under eyes. I've tried everything, but I feel like under my eyes, oh, except sleep, I should try that to get rid of my bags under my eyes. And I'm being good, like I'm not, well, aside from it now being Easter and me having a lot of sugar, which I shouldn't be having. Oh my gosh, guys, I had so much, even though I had like dairy-free chocolate, so it was really good, the Lindt chocolate, which is like 85%. It's dairy-free, so I had that this Easter. Cool, magic. And next I'm just gonna use my Artistry brush. There's already product on the brush part of it, so I literally just brush my brows. My brows need help, like I haven't shaped my brows, and I'm working on a project at the moment, and I said that I'm not going to shape my brows until my project is completed. So I better get that project done. I feel like it only works if I pull my face like this. Sorry, this is like weirding you guys out. And then I'm using a Max Factor mascara. I really love the bristles. I don't know if you guys can see that. I've been doing makeup for years, and I feel like the brush is not important. It's the way that you apply the product. Make sure that the hair is coated with mascara and then brush it up. But I mean, look at the difference. And then lastly, I will just apply my Colour Quench lip balm from Clarin's. I've had this for a really long time, so it might be discontinued. Clarin's has a tendency to discontinue everything I like, so this is the color 00, but if you guys can't find it, I'm sorry. It's just a clear gloss. And that's it. That's my minimal makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do want to see more of these videos, please let me know. I really appreciate getting feedback from you guys. And then also, if you're new to my channel and you did like this, please subscribe.
Now I need a miracle. Hurry up now, I need a miracle. Strange